In a world that never seems to hit the pause button, what if I told you that calm is your secret superpower? Think about it. While everyone else is rushing from one thing to the next, you can simply breathe. While others are reacting to every little thing, you can choose to respond thoughtfully. So many of us search for peace out there, in a quieter place or a less stressful job. But the truth is, peace isn't something you find. It's something you create right here, inside you. No matter what chaos is swirling around you, remember, your mind is the master of your peace. It's your internal sanctuary. So, take a moment. Breathe deeply. Choose to live a little more slowly, a little more intentionally. Let that inner calm be the source of your strength. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more moments of mindfulness. See you next time.